Yeah, gold is bullish, but the first thing, let's look at the ES and the Nasdaqs. ES. Let's go to ES. ES front month. So looking at the 1 minute chart, what you have done so far, we have a long move down. Okay. First things first, I need to see those legs. Okay, we have a value, we have a range, and another drop over here. So what brings my attention over here is this. I saw it now, this price. See what's happening here? Yes sir, it is. So we have the hidden value here. Market did the 1, 2, 3, ranged again, came back, tested once. You see here that is the test, that is the confirmation. And one hit here, one hit here, another test over here to the right, and we have the market back again. This is a very strong one, so we expect at least how many plays we have? We have 1, we have 2. This market will break down again, will create setups down and go back up. So this, the 265.50 on the ES, is your bread and butter if you're trading the ES. So now the next indication of simplifying trade axis is to have a trend line. Is this trend line valid? Yes, it's valid. I think so. Yes, valid. Beautiful. Okay, do you have any trend down? No. Now we're gonna have the micromanagement. The micromanagement for this range should be volume profile. Yeah, custom profile. Okay, you see this? You see this range? The empty one, the LVN, the big one. This, yeah, this range, as it represents now an LVN and lack of liquidity, obviously this range will be filled and the market will rest here maybe for 1 or 2 days at least from this behavior over here and there, because this tricks a lot of volume profile traders. The volume profile traders look in LVN, so they expect the market to reject over here or just break it and continue down, not staying here. But just because we spot the hidden value earlier, now we have one step ahead of the market. Everybody treating this as a support. This is a value, this is a magnet. So you see how it's going up? Washing machine here for all the shorts. So we have a test, we have a 1, we have a 2, we have a 3. So it's itchy to get an entry around this trend line. And we also can have a look on custom VWAP. Let's see the anchor VWAP doing. Beautiful. So yeah, I would rely on a anchor VWAP break. Gives us a better entry than the trend line. And then the 265. And then what is the risk on this? The risk on this should be the previous high. I wouldn't even go to that high. I would, if we enter anchor VWAP, we have the stop loss here, and we'll see what it will do to break back the range. Even though it has still have a potential. Yeah, that's the ES for now, and let's have to see if there is a trend down. Yeah, there's a trend down. That's beautiful. Nah, never seen a range give us everything. It gave us everything. X patterns there, values there. Huh? One more. on the right. Okay, X patterns should give us. Did we have any confirmation? Yeah, we have 2 here at the V2. Yeah. Exit here. 81.25. 81.25. We get it. F1, F2, F3. I'll give it a chance for 4. Okay, crude oil on the side. What are you looking at? Sorry. Ah, okay. This move here, this move on the second yesterday. This move down on the second. Yes. Let me clarify this one. I need to make a setting here. Setting, show POC, show volume profile. Let's go 100% over here so I can make it clear for you. Save as a default, and there you go. There you go. No, why are you starting over here? Start from the high, from the top. Ah, yes, that's the top. Okay, zoom in. Yeah, zoom in vertically from the price. Yes. So you should see it at, yeah, the 265.50. No, it's a perfect bar. I don't want it to be visible. I want it to look like this around the empty area, and a single price just stands out, pops out of the thing. And you go click on the volume profile. Click on your volume profile. Yes. Go to the settings. Yeah, turn this 70 colored into 100 down. Scroll down. 70, make it 100. Yeah, to make it all look visible. Save as a default from the saving point. Anyways, okay. Now you will have it better. You have a better visual on this. Well, it's not about big or small, it's about the shape. Empty range, one price standing out. So, and once you see the confirmations later, it's obvious. Yes. What option? No, you're using Quant Tower? Yeah. No, you don't need to pay anything. It's already on your platform. It's included if you can access volume profile. So you have at the bottom, if you look over here, you have the time statistics. You have cumulative delta. Just remove all of these. Enable. And you need to remove everything and only take the delta. And what else we have? No, the delta, not the cumulative delta. The delta and the volume in general. No, not the volume. Not the volume. Just a sec. Yes. Well, I'm using it separate sometimes between a buy volume and sell volume. That will give me a good indication, but the most important is the delta, as you asked. You zoom in down, you'll see the numbers over here. Yeah, because it's showing every candle separate. Okay, meanwhile, I'll have a look on my stuff. What is this guy doing? Did you, Trina, were you able to access this material I sent you already? Yes? Yeah, I'm not sure if your coupon is still valid or no, but if it expires somehow, just let me know. No, just knowledge. It's just take it as a general knowledge about the price movements and all of this. I don't want you to like the strategies. There is things like the easy money trades, for example, the easy money strategy. Some of the concept just reflects on what we know, nothing more or less. But you will see it like extra information will not harm. It's not like to use any of the strategies, but yeah, low value node will do one of two things. Look, as we saw today, when I saw the S&P, what did the first thing I said? I'm violating everything I know about the low volume node. Why? Why I told you the market will come here and rest. Because I know one or two things about the low volume nodes. Whether the market will reject of them very strong or just break through and continue, will never stay. But the only reason, I found a reason to violate this kind of knowledge because I have hidden value here and I'm watching it. I see it. You know, it's for example, I'll tell you an example. You trade trend lines, okay? You wait for the market to hit the bottom of the trend line. You buy till the top of the trend line, okay? You put your volume profiles on the legs And now you see the market is shifting value lowers and made a very good short squeeze and start to come back down. So you have your trend line saying buy, but your volume analysis saying it's a short squeeze. Which one you go for? The volume. I wouldn't go for the trade because let's say you are a trend trading strategy. So I wouldn't go for any, but I will have a very good conclusion that this market is weak. So in this case, I know everybody will buy at the trend line that I'm used to buy at, will lose money because you have a heads up. Same thing here. Same thing. If I'm looking, what are we talking about? I forgot what was the case. Low value, yes. So I know that the market should reject at the low value, but because I have a stronger vision on the liquidity, I know that this low volume node will play a lot of volume profile traders and squeeze them out. Because people will start taking trades over here and the market will start to build over here taking these positions. So I'm now playing against myself just because I have a stronger edge. So there is no strategy should give you 100%. You should be able and flexible enough to play against your strategy if you do and you see a better reason. And I love to see a reason why my strategy should fail. And I'm very good. I'm like something I'm really good at. Trading against my strategy at the right time. When I know that my strategy will not work, I'm very flexible to shift. So the work around the ES over here, taking trades and taking profit around the 262. Taking trades around and taking profit at the 262. This happened already one. This happened two. I'm expecting 2 or 3 more times. Let me show you a nice example out of this. I'll show you a very good example. Just a second. The content. Yes. See my screen? Okay. I have many, but I want to show you the very good one. Here's one example. Here is our on this leg up we have our hidden value, and here's the market playing around. We have one head. This is not, I wouldn't consider this one. This is 1 attempt, 2 attempts, 3 attempts, 4 attempts, and the market came up, played small setups and rested for a while on this. So I'm expecting at least same 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 heads, we already done like 3. We're expecting 1 more, and the 4th attempt will rest on top. Same like all of them. So many examples. Yeah, here another one. It wasn't a clear one for me till it's confirmed. This one, it's odd. I don't like this how it looks, but anyways, it has played once, twice, 3 and 4 times, and then started to rest again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll start to rest. So we still have a room for 1 to go. So yeah, these are examples. Look, it's difficult when you set expectation. Like, let's say you're a hidden value trader, and then you come to the trading day looking for hidden value and having hopes. First, you'll start trading noise because you will not find it often. But when you come to trading day casually, just analyzing and let the market offer what it needs to offer. So I'm casually analyzing. I'm just drawing casually the work, the volume profiles, casually drawing my trends, casually trying to find a bottom and high for anchor VWAPs. And then at some point you'll start getting these pieces together and find something interesting. Don't come with expectation, or don't like dig deep in the market looking for something. The market might not offer it, and that will keep you actually looking for the clean setups. You see, yeah, you're trying so hard. We don't want this. You need a process. You need a process more. You're trying so hard means you don't have a process. Have a process every day. Coming to the market. Once I open the market, fresh chart, never analyzed before. First volume profiles, then look for trends, then look for highs and bottom for anchor VWAP. Find X pattern if there is any, and let the market take you through more and deeper information. And at some point you will find it. Don't try to force anything. Trying hard will just work against you, not what I'm watching now in the ES is the market. How many attempts this market tried to get to the V1 and failed? So one of two scenarios. This market can drop down from here all the way down to V1, or will do a big fake out and come back and still will not confirm the V1 over here and come back down. The only thing will change this scenario if we confirm the V1, which so far failed. So whether we go down from here or we'll big fake out and come back down to the same prices, which I won't be surprised if I start drawing volume profiles here and see if it's a short squeeze. Accumulation at the bottom, beautiful. Narrow. Strategy shifted on the way over here and then resting and ranged, just a little slow. Now I need some time to look back into this thing. Dough? What dough? Chemicals. I thought it's the Dow Jones. Like, what are you doing here in stocks? You know, Mo, there's a way actually to do the line better, so you won't cover this volume profile. Use the trend line that has a beginning, that has a starting point, not the extended one, or just extend one side. I'm not sure where is it. Yeah, not this one. Oh, wait. Uber. No, just watch it. Yeah, if it's not part of your plan, just see how it plays today and take a screenshot. I also sent a screenshot for this. Yeah, I'm watching. What's up? Yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Okay, zoom in more. You see there is a, like 1 or 2 ticks above and 1 2 ticks below, empty. Completely empty on this hidden value. Yeah, it's odd. So if you're still doubting it, wait for the market to confirm it. There is rules to any hidden value, not just observing it. Yes, it looks clean. I spotted very quick. It looks the type I like. But also look what the market did when it came to interact with the price. And we clearly saw like 2 confirmations. Yeah, it always looks odd. Like if you even zoom out, it will still be visible. If you zoom out a little, it's still like be something odd in an empty side. It's not a node. It's a single print. It's a single price print. So yeah, look at whenever you feel confused, look at the examples. I sent you screenshots before. Look, always keep those in mind. Oh man, when this hidden values, there is a point we were just, I swear, we were printing money on these hidden values during Corona after like 2021. We were printing money. There was hidden values, and every hidden value plays for like 3 days. So only 3 days we're only playing one hidden value level. And then when they start not showing, we start mess around. Like we start trading any line. Anything that shows seems noisy, it's a hidden value illustrated. So what happened? Okay. So yeah, at some point it stopped. There was no hidden values in the market. There was also always just noisy stuff, and we kept fighting it. We kept fighting the noisy stuff, and that time was like, let's stop fighting. Let's wait till something shows up. And then they started to show up like for time after that. Wherever confirmation bottom or top, it's just confirming that there is a liquidity here. DE, it's a D. Oh, you know it? Okay. Mm-hmm. So if this company shifts the volume lower today, I will short it. It's expensive, man. It's $405. You reminded me of one guy in trading. One guy I remember, I shorted his company while taking the course. I was like, he was always talking about his company, and I was like, we were playing. I remember it was X Pattern. He's talking about the company and the future of it and how he invests in it, and I was like, this is X Pattern. I swear I shorted it in front of him, and it made money, and I was so happy. It made like money, and I was like, wow. But I told him this is a short term. It's not something to dictate the long term or anything. But you will find like the unpopular name plays your edge very well. I don't like to play X patterns on any of my strategy on a popular market. Like a popular stock, the Apples and Googles and all of those. This is, man, the mother of all liquidity in the market. It's not your game. There is algos involved, black boxes, the hedge funds, banks, people getting out, people getting in. And you're a subject, like in any minute, you are a subject. Your strategy is a subject of any of these hands getting out or in of the market. It's just as noisy, maybe more than the Nasdaq, but they are noisy. And it's not about the liquidity, it's about the participants in the name. Popular name, blue chip, you know that it's taking part of the S&P, taking part of the American economy. Anyone coming new to the stock market, any amateur coming on his first day, the first thing we look for, Apple. Okay, anyone hears about the market, oh, can I invest in Apple and Google's? Everybody, this is the first thing they say. So you don't want to be in the Apples and Google's. You have a strategy and you have like thousands of options to search for. Wow, it's already breaking a V2. Yes, this is a good one. Not how day, the 279 would be a first attempt, because I would like to plan 2 attempts on this guy. One attempt I should be out at the 279, and a second attempt, if it breaks above, make a very big fake out. So I'll give it a two attempts and divide the risk by 2, because we're looking now at the V4 to 267. 267, that would be you plan the trade, man. You plan the trade. I'm just saying my opinion on the thing. Let's see how it play. Where's my stuff? Okay. Back in. DE and trend up. I hope you're not in playing single contracts and stuff. Playing with a single contract? Okay, just you're playing with one contract, right? You staying for this till the target. That's the pain. Because we were just talking about this before you log in. If you don't have an option and you see like a big range between you and your target, and you think the market might stall a little, you maybe drop to 5 mini or 7 micros and scale out halfway so you can hold all the way to target. But now I will not interfere. I should not say this. So it's your task, it's your thing. We talk when we finish. Consider the sizing. If you're above the moving average, you know what to do. So yeah. Oops. It's obvious. It's obvious play. I wouldn't ever go with the. I wouldn't go with a single contract on this one. This would be a tough play because you have a trend line on the way, and I don't really care much about V4. Like V4, it's going to stay the market down, keep the market down. But I wouldn't play this with one. But again, I'm not the trend line trader. So if I'm trading this, I wouldn't consider any of the trend lines. I'll just for the X pattern. So if you're someone, I know you're using trend lines. So it's your game. It's your game on this. You did the testing. Where are we? No, I'm not trading futures. Unfortunately, this time I'm focusing on stocks. I just need to share. Let's share my screen. I don't want my screen to take over, but let's try keep it. Yeah, I wouldn't. I wouldn't act like that. You know, this is the word that really like it just brings bad memory. Always. I swear, always. You know, I swear we had like the last team we were 8. So if you say this in front of the guys who are trading, they might kick you out of the room because everybody believed that this jinxed the actual trade. Because every time says let's fucking go, the market just reverse exactly where they say it, and we all lose money on a very good setup. And so after this happening 10 times, nobody ever says this again. We just sit down. Once we hit the target, we start talking. Before the target, we don't talk. We're just sitting patient because we know it's still 50-50. Like, you just don't put high till you hit the target. Don't put high hopes. The market can reverse at any point, even from here. Can go take your stop loss, and you let's fucking go. We'll back to you. You are not trailing anything, sir. We agreed. You agreed on taking this as a binary with a single contract. Whether you taking the loss on the trade or you go take profit on the target. You have a one contract. You don't have this conversation. You don't have the luxury of this conversation now. A one contract is one contract. If you want to exit now, exit. You're halfway, but you better stick to target. You're building a habit. You're building a habit. It's not about money. It's not about. I want you to build a habit here. You're still working in task. Habit is a habit. It took me years to build a habit, but if it was done the right way, I could have built it in a couple of weeks if I've done it right. So, build a habit. I want you to sit relaxed, and I want you to run all possibilities in your head right now. What if the market stalls over here? What if the market reverses back and you take your stop loss? And what if the market goes to take profit? Experience 3 scenarios and you'll be sitting very relaxed because you already practiced this mentally, hence the trade. And be very cool. Be very cool if the market goes back, hits your stop loss. Cool. No problems. Are you trading the X pattern? Or are you trading the trends? Or what are you trading? Hold on. This is the same of mine, right? This is no. You have a different angle on the trend. Okay. I need to bring this on top. How can I bring your screen on top? Mine is coming. I'll just Yeah, got it. No, I got it. I was doing it. Got it. Yeah, but remember what I also said about the trend line strategies? The whole planet is trading trend lines. So entries and exit around the trend line will give you a very tough time with entering, exiting. Maybe try an anchor view up from the high of the last leg. Let's look this option over here. I need to have a look on the stocks, but let's try to work this first. No, the last leg. The one before the drop, the last drop. Yeah, yes. It's probably something. No, there is a lot of liquidity on the way. That was obvious. Two contracts or minimizing is something you should have played, but it's still valid. The market can play this range as long as it wants. This is what is this red? Why you have a red thing? What is this? Is it a day or this is a daily? No, I wouldn't rely on it much. Yeah. Give it a time. Give it a time to play out. So what is this thing? Oh, whoa. What is this? Something just flying over here. Wow. SWVL Holding Corporation. This guy ran from $4. Oh, even lower. We were standing under $1. It was holding for how long? No way. What is this? My God. No, look, this is crazy. Look. I was looking here. So I was looking at this. I was like, oh, this guy came from $3 and now it's $18. Now I zoom out and look at the daily chart. This guy actually came from $260 to under $1. What happened here? What's this S? Oh, made a split. and now it's going up. It started picking up back again. It made the split at January 23. That one was the split happened, and now it's picking up at $18.9. Damn. I would love to trade short squeeze against the shorts. Man, I only see on YouTube and all this trash the shorts and the guys who short the thing, the penny stock, because we know the you know what's my favorite trade, and I wish I can see one of those, to squeeze one of those penny stocks, the guys who think they can short the market and they know everything. You know, when the market just loses it and just hitting 40, 50, 100, 200, you know, these stocks, it kills those traders literally. I just want to ride these trades just for the satisfaction of knowing I'm squeezing one of these guys who trades the penny stocks, waiting to short it because it's a pump and dump and they understand the game, and the brag on YouTube. Yeah, the amount of brag on YouTube, man, is just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. Clowns. It's just clown games. No. They know that these, like, some people are just want to short anything that goes from 1 to 4 or 5. They want to short it because it's a scam stock, it's a trash stock, and they say, oh, we short the stocks because it's all. But there is stocks actually run, and they make a very good runs to the upside. So I wish I can see like a $3-4 stock doing such thing like a short squeeze, and I will just hold it. I will freaking hold it, man. I know the short float, of course. I used to look at the float every day, but not that strategy for me. I know how it trades, I know what to look for, but it's not the trade you wanna. I didn't see a clear edge in it. A low float, for me, what it visually meant is a crazy price movement in every day. Up or down is not a strategy you can find, but low float, the market can just go from 3 to 10. Can go from 10 to 20 in minutes, literally. Tuck. Limit up, limit down. Market shuts down for 5 minutes, opens the next $20 level. That's the halt. If you know what's a halt, whenever the market exceeds what's the percent? Like 10% or 20? Yeah, something like that. In any case, 7% hit. That was the Nasdaq, man. The craziest halt I've ever seen in my life. It was the Nasdaq halt in COVID. The Nasdaq halt in COVID, and that's the time when the oil hit the minus. I had my jaw dropped. Indeed. Like, I was just, most of those days I wasn't actually working or finding anything to trade, but I was learning new era of market, and once my brain started to digest what was happening, this cycle started to fade away and the volume started to drop. Oil went minus 40, man. Price minus, it went below zero. Minus 40. I want to tell you a story. A guy, yes, oil went minus. It first in the history of the tradable markets, the thing go minus. One guy, they were offering money for anyone who wants to take crude oil because their storages were full. So you go take an oil from the producers and you take money because they didn't have space to store. So that's why you take oil and you take money, and the price went to minus. One guy, so the brokerages, I'll tell you a funny story. The brokerages, most of them were not prepared, or the system were not allowing any minus because it was not programmed. So when the price get to $1 and started to hit below zero, it stopped at 0.01. Okay, one guy, futures guy, loaded massive amount of contracts at the 0.01 because there is no lower than that, right? Nothing lower than the 0.01. The guy loaded, I don't remember the article, but probably around 600 contracts 5 or 600 contracts, and the market was dipping for -10, -20, and -40, and this guy screen was frozen because it doesn't show minus. And yeah, he cost his brokerages and himself a big massive loss. And I kept following this story. I kept following what was going on. Obviously the broker sucked it because it's a technical issue from the broker that the screens did not show the minuses, but that brokerages swallowed a big fat loss, like millions of dollars were lost on this trade. If I were this guy, I would do the same. I swear. We're just lucky that we were not in the situation. If I'm watching a price that at 0.01, any market, even a penny stock, I don't care. If I see something at a 0.01, I would load everything I have on this 0.01. It's just ugly, man. It's just it is happening. Go to the I have a video on my YouTube channel. It's in Arabic, but doesn't matter actually. I have a record of this era, and I'm not sure if this video is on my TikTok or on my YouTube, but I have it with a title like the crude oil crash thing, and I had a video on showing the prices going down. Let me see if this is my TikTok. It's scary, I swear. Even the video that I see till today, it's still scary. I don't know how people take trades in this. Let me check it out and I'll send you the video. Found it. Okay, I will copy the link. Copy link. Is there is a chat here, right? Yeah, let's try this one. Can you write something on the chat? I cannot find it. Yeah, cool. Yes. Got it. Shut up, Mo. Yeah, this link I have. This is a short video on my TikTok. Did it open? Just check. I'm not sure if this is a valid link or no. Anyways. So you'll see the prices showing like minus 0.023 and then stalling and then no liquidity, no orders, and just losing it to the minus big money. No, this was trade of 8. I didn't use Quant Hour back then. No. Okay. Let's self-analyze for the 100th time. You took this trade let's be serious. I know you should not do this, but you took this trade based on my analysis and based on my recommendation. My recommendation came from a perspective of playing the X pattern and the head in value. So what I'm trading now, head in value. I'm trading a head in value. I'm watching X pattern. The trend line is not there for me. So if you want to trade based on a trend line, then you shouldn't look at the head in value as a target. So moving your stop loss here will minimize your chances of getting anywhere with this trade. Take the loss. Here's the thing. The market will go up back up now, and it will take your stop loss. I want you to take the stop loss. Okay? I want you to take the stop loss without moving it. I'm not playing the trend line. Accept it. It's okay. It's okay. Let the market take the stop loss. It's fine. It's part of the plan. Don't drag for no reason. I would say you can drag if you have two contracts. That would be a nice situation if you're doubting things, but no, I'm saying what is the reason for you to get out? That's all I'm asking. Okay. So anchor view up, yeah, anchor view up makes a better sense. Makes a way better sense. So yeah, if not a trend line, anchor view up, I agree with that. But you still, this is still your task. This is your trade. You should be focused on how you do things, especially trailing the stop loss. Volume, liquidity, anchor view up, I agree. Man, I cannot. Looks like I'm gonna have a tough week looking for a next name with the short squeezes. What I was in. No. You need to relax. You need to relax, like completely relax. Whatever the market does, it's now. This is the thing is out of your hand. Try not to get excited. Whether the trade went in your favor, try to stay calm. Try to not even think about it. You're waiting. Your job is a patient waiting. And this job of a patient, you will have waiting times when you're red, waiting times when you're in the green. Doesn't matter. You're waiting. You're relaxed. Up. Trade worked. Beautiful. Let's move to the next one. Oh, didn't work. Also, let's move to the next one. Looking for the next parameter. Relax. But the only thing you want to do, just analyze around it. Analyze from the tops, highs, and all of this. Where's our names? Yeah, but very noisy range. Like the stock can move, price can easily move up there and take you out and come down. You see how many things going on here? That's a lot. There is a value POC, there is anchor view up, there is a trend line. There's a lot of noise in that range. Yeah, of course. I've done nothing here. What is a suitable price? Is this something visually you can see? Don't make targets up or think how the market goes. Is there a reason to scale out? Yes, you tell me I need to cover half of my risk because I'm carrying very big size. I'll say perfect. What is the reason you're taking the profit here and not there? Why are you taking 30% away, not 50% away? Now you will start looking into a real reason why I should scale out. You will tell me, I see a POC over here. I see a trend line and the market's stalling around it. I would say, okay, that's a good, nice reason to take some off and hold the rest. So you won't play yourself emotionally. But if you just came in nowhere, oh, I want to take it here because I don't want to give this money back to the market. That's a foolish statement. First, I need to see my target head. And then I'll start thinking, I take my stop loss. Let's see how the market react at the profit target. If it reverse aggressively, like 1, 2, 3 ticks, I'm out already. And no, the final target, the main target, the main one. Yeah. You mean the second contract? Yeah, first you take it on the way. The second, sometimes you will hit the profit target and the market will just break it and never look back. So you want that contract staying at your profit target, and let's see, analyze the market below. Why is the market going down deeper? Look for the next target down while I'm locked already on the first target. And if the market hits your profit target, started to stall and then play a little and then give a wick up and makes you uncomfortable, just set your stop loss a couple of ticks above the price or find a wall on the level 2 and then let the market take you out. Yes, you're giving away 2 ticks from the profit target, but this is the way we do it to leave a room for the market if it wants to continue. So it's a literally trader's perspective on that. What's the market doing at the profit target? If it breaks and continue, beautiful. If it stalls and breaks, lock the market, lock the price behind, and let the market decide if it wants to continue or take you out. Yeah, so no rush. You don't need to get exactly at the profit target. Wait and see what the market does at the profit target. This profit target sometimes should be, probably most of the time, a seller or a buyer will play the market in your favor even longer. You just don't see him. You have to wait and see what he will do. Wait, like you're playing chess. Let them make their move so you can make a better one. Let them make their move. Yes, you're giving back a couple of ticks if it reverses. But you're giving back a couple of ticks for a runner. Maybe it will give you 20, 30, 50 ticks. You don't know. A trade can be paying for the whole year. Maybe the market will crash at this time and you're in the right direction. I rode a market of like a mini flash crash before. I was in a trade luckily I was just in a trade short and I have a target and the market just lost it. Couple of candles, never looked back. 10 times my target down, and I was like, you know what was my problem at that time? I couldn't find the price. I was scrolling down my level 2 trying to find where the price go. I kept scrolling, find the price. No, I was like, no, something wrong. And I watched the chart. I found that the price just lost it. Completely crashed on the day. And I was just lucky. I was on the right side because of one of the trades. So yes, sir, you have to open the door for those opportunities to play in your favor. If you're just keen on your profit target, you will not have the good surprises. I used to use always profit targets, limit orders. I stopped doing that. It's like market. I used to do that. I stopped. That's stupid. So stupid. Take it off more. Take it off more. Take it off more, because probably no. I would say wait for the market to hit your bottom trend line. No, you shouldn't trade anything. You have a good reason for that. You have a good reason for that. Don't ask me, really, don't ask me. Maybe you're thinking loud, no problem, but I'm not giving any valid information here. Think, if there's a good reason, do it and explain it to us. When you explain something, you will understand it better. No, I wouldn't do it here. No. No, I wouldn't put it in that range at all. This is a dangerous range. You can see right now a wick up takes you out and wicks back down again. This is a very rich range with liquidity. POC, anchor VWAP, trend lines, massive things going on in that range. So and if you keep, like, if you really have to take profit, I would go above the trend line. Yeah, so you're just saving yourself the pain. I wouldn't go on this trade for a break even, so it's not a wise choice. I'd rather take the loss, man. It's a good trade. No, give it back. Please give it back. Give it back. I want you, because the only next take you to the next level is to practice how to be cold blood in the market. Cold. Let it go back. Throw it. This is not the money we want in the long term. Trust me. Cold. I want you to, yes, feel it. Have experienced this money market playing, taking your unrealized profit back. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing in the stocks. That's really nothing for me today. HBAN. Yes, how do you know? Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, I bought one. It wasn't bad, my old, but I had to do some extra work, and I felt like I need a very powerful one. Is this a gaming laptop? What do you mean restart? No, maybe it's planned. Maybe when there is an update, there is an option. Maybe automatic restart when updates. No, that's not right. That's not supposed to happen. Yeah, talk to them. Just check online for solutions. Maybe it's something software or something inside your laptop can be fixed with a click. Check YouTube for a YouTube fix. If not, yeah, contact them, of course. Gaming laptops in general, they will if you have the warranty still in your warranty, that would be good. I'll go just grab some coffee. I need to make a deeper research on my stocks, so I need to focus for a minute, guys. Just give me 1 minute. Take profit. Take profit. Good job. Yeah, so what I told you about your bottom trend line as a target, not the hidden VWAP, because uh, it was the fourth head. It's just a behavior, like good to have this trend line down. So I just didn't want to play. Now you will see a setup. Okay, you will have a setup here too long, but you're following a profit management, right? Yeah, so now you're following a profit management. You see what's left in your profit, and you can play small setups, buying towards this hidden value. Yeah, but next time, learn how to trail your stop loss behind the price. Good one. Okay, now start thinking long setup with a very small risk. Maybe micros if you don't have enough, you don't give back. 2 or 3 micros, and find a setup long. How? Hmm. Hmm. Really? Wow. Okay. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You'll have a setup too long. Yeah, look for setup too long. No, I'm talking hidden value now. Forget again. Forget about your trend line. This is a hidden value having an upper hand on the market. Your trend line means nothing now. Forget about your trend line. This is a very strong liquidity. Yes, that's why I'm telling you, you will find a long setup now. It will reveal itself very soon. Where is the market? Oh, this is the long actually. You can start building a position here. I'm not sure if this can be play 3 heads or 4 heads, but there is a head and shoulders. 248. This is 10 points. Yeah, the only way you can play this is micro, maybe single contract. Towards, yeah, you have like a very, if you go to the 10 seconds, if you go to the 10 seconds chart, you will see kind of head and shoulders building around this. So we're going back now to this 266. That would be, but I don't use the 10 seconds. Yeah. Oh, WVA. WVA. Why it's so noisy when you cancel cancel the notification sound on your platform? You go on the setting, yeah, you can go on the settings, sounds, and then just mute everything. Wow. All of them. Yeah, man, I traded those for years. They are good, but you don't find them often. It's just lucky today to see it. It's also the way you look at them, because you don't come just looking at the day data that was offered. You need to look back, look at the big moves happening in the back. Because then maybe they're there most of the time, but you just did not look enough to find anything. If I'm trading the Nasdaq, I would use the 10 seconds. But everything else, maybe 1 minute is good. This is for companies who are reporting like profit over 270,000 or 300,000, something like that. So it's for like, yeah, there is a line to that. Not everybody's required to go for the tax. No, I'm not. I usually ask my yeah, tell me. No, making money in a range less than 300,000 you wouldn't need. You don't need. It's something for the bigger companies. No, no, no. It's as easy as you go apply for it yourself. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Uh-huh. kick you out. خلاص, you're done for the day. Probably it will make another 3 hits on the way down. You will have another 3 hits down and then reverse, but it's just so good to sit and watch for now. It's not something to fight with. Yeah, it's just when it runs in your favor, you should be ready for the surprises. Cannot find anything. It's no. The 10 seconds just to dictate the head in value. You need to see like a visual clear 3 heads, whether on a 1 minute or give it a time to build and you will see it clear. It shows on a 1 minute properly. If you're trading S&P, 1 minute is your friend. VFH. Okay. Risk manage. It's okay. Risk manage. It's okay. It's okay. We're doing this work with the minimum losses. This we should be glad that we actually have the time, because by the time you over your learning curve, you don't have to actually cover the expenses from the learning curve. That's very nice with what we have. So okay. Ooh, whoa. Okay. MRK, man, it's playing out. It's gonna break the trend line. Seems like we have a short squeeze, guys, on MRK. Yes, and we've broken the trend. Now we need a target. What? Ah, I thought you were talking S&P. Okay. So tricky. And I'm still analyzing, because this will take days. All right. What's the risk to reward here? The risk to reward is 290 ticks. So if we're having 100 into $1, that means now 50 is 100. Wow. it's $12. $12 by no, what is this? 30, 31, 32. This $2.80. Yeah, like 250, 280. Oh my god. I just hope there's no news on this thing. We have Merck, James Houston got first person in phase 2, 3 trial resolution. Cannot okay. I like MRK a lot. $125. First target. Let's say let's say so 129.62. Let's say what's the target here? It's just calculated, man. This is tough. 380. Let's say 380. See, break the trend line. That's the good entry. Let's see, folks. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, okay. The market is closing anyways, 20 minutes. So let's wrap it up here. Good catch, man, today. Good catch. So during the next couple of days, I'll let you guys know. Finish the task and hit me up. Cheers, man. Yeah, have a good night. Bye. Bye-bye.